Look up at the night sky. Everything you see, stars, planets, even galaxies, is only a tiny part of something much, much bigger. But here's the real question. How big is the universe? We live on Earth. Earth is huge for us. But in space, it's just a small planet. More than 1 million Earths can fit inside the Sun. But even the Sun is just a normal star. Our solar system is bigger. It includes sun, planets, moons, asteroids. But even this is still very small. Because space doesn't stop here. We are inside the Milky Way Galaxy, a massive spiral system of stars. It contains over 100 billion stars, and our Sun is just one of them. But wait. This is still not the universe. Now it gets crazy. There are billions of galaxies like the Milky Way. Each galaxy has billions of stars, so imagine. Stars multiplied by billions is galaxies, but galaxies multiplied by billions. The numbers become almost impossible to imagine. The part we can see is called Observable Universe. It is about 93 billion light years wide. That means light from one side takes 93 billion years to reach the other side. This is a video of Neil.fun website showing how big is our universe. Link of this website is in description. And here is the shocking part. We don't even know if the universe has an end. It might be infinite or much bigger than we can observe. So in reality, we are inside something beyond imagination. So next time you look at the sky, remember, you are not just looking at stars, you are looking at the edge of infinity.